just got back from the grocery store. Today is the day that I meal prep, but this video is not so much about meal prepping as it is about what I typically buy at the grocery store. I thought maybe I'd unpack my groceries in a video. Chobani non-fat plain Greek yogurt, turkey sausage. I'm gonna do a breakfast prep with this. Deli ham, deli turkey, fat-free cheddar, part skim mozzarella, more yogurts, but these are the single serving. Oh man, I meant to get the zero sugar. A rotisserie chicken that I'm gonna use for a lunch prep. Eggs, cereal for my kids. Yes, I do buy this stuff for my kids. I'm a normal mom. Cottage cheese, the 1%, slaw bag, 2 bags of iceberg lettuce, potatoes, celery, onion, provolone, fat-free Ready-Whip because it makes desserts better, turkey pepperoni, bananas, 3 bell peppers, and a jalapeno, egg whites, Olive Garden light Italian dressing, beef broth. I found this in the cereal aisle, but it's 140 calories per cup and 10 grams of protein. Chicken thighs that my husband's gonna grill today, grape tomatoes, blueberries, cherries because they're on sale and I love them. Ramen, it's for the kids, they love it. Flatbread, 60 calories each. Cashew milk, 96% lean ground beef, and Fairlife regular, and chocolate. I wanna make a point to show you something.
I separated my groceries into 2 piles, into refrigerated, that was 85% of what I bought, and very few non-refrigerated items.
I'll also be sure to make some videos showing you what I'm making with all this.